How to fix FaceTime not working in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, now here you can see my internet connection works properly. After checking your internet connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on general. Now scroll down and click on date and time. Now set date or time automatically. After setting date and time automatically, then your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and click on screen time. After clicking on screen time, then scroll down and here you can see the option content and privacy restrictions. Now click on it. If you turn on your content and privacy restrictions, then turn it off. After turning off privacy and restrictions, then go back and click on general. Now scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset and then click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings again and click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and scroll down and click on apps. Now click on FaceTime. Now here you can create your account and sign in. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.